Good morning, everyone. This is Professor Divya Khade, Assistant Professor CSIT Department SIRT Bhopal. And today we are going to learn a topic of dynamic programming. Subtopic is knapsack problem of analysis and designing of algorithm subject. After this lecture, you will able to understand what is knapsack problem, how to develop problem solving skills, apply dynamic programming concepts, and connect learning to real life scenarios. Now, what is knapsack problem? So, knapsack problems, there are two types of knapsack problem. First is fractional knapsack and second is 0-1 knapsack. In fractional knapsack, you can divide or fraction the item of products and their profits, and we can solve this by a greedy approach. And in 0-1 knapsack, we cannot divide or break any item or their profit. We can only solve this with dynamic programming approach. There are two methods to solve. First is set method and second is tabulation method. For an example, like we have given the question over here, as you can see, for the given set and item, knapsack capacity is 5. Find the optimal solution for the knapsack problem by using dynamic programming approach. Now, we have provided with items, weight, and value profit. Or we can say that in a real life scenario, a thief enters a house for robbing. He can carry maximal of 5 kg weight into his bag, and we have to find that he follows minimum weight or maximum weight with maximum profit. Now we can solve this with tabulation method, or we can say we solve it with set method. In the set method, S is represented as a set, P and is profit, W as weight, and if no object is taken, we have to follow offset 0 and 0. Now, another terminology is purging rule. What is purging rule? If we have found two similar sets in which P1 is less than P2, means item profit of weight item 1 is less than profit of weight 2, but its weight is greater than item 2's, then it is condition of more weight and less profit object is getting. It is called purging rule and it is removed from the set method. By following this, we can say initially the stack, as you can see, we have to formulate this with we have to take the weights of previous and upcoming items. As you can see that if we have not taken any object or if we have not taken any object in our knapsack, then it would be 0 and 0 because we have not picked any of the item. Now after the iteration first, if I take first pair of 2 and 10, then we have to manage with these sets. Now the set S1 becomes with the union of S0 and S1 is 0 0 and 2 10. In the iteration 2, if we want to take now second object which weight is 15 and profit is 5, we have to merge this weight with new one. So now the weights are 0 0, 2 10, new weights are added 5 15, and 5 and 15 added in this 2 and 10, which will become 7 and 25. Then we will do union of that and we'll get 0 0, 2 10, 5 15, and 7 25. Now, as you can see here, the weight is exceeding the knapsack capacity and the knapsack capacity is 21, which is mentioned over here. Now, we have to remove it. So after the purging rule, we will have 0 0, 2 10, and 5 15. In next, after the iteration 3, we have to merge third pair, which is 8 and 6. 8 is profit and 6 is weight. After applying this, we will get this iteration. Now we can see here we can apply purging rule. Here weight is 10 and profit weight is 10 and profit is 2, and here weight is 6 as profit is 8. Clearly we can say that here we can apply the purging rule. So we have to remove this type of sets from our set method union. After the third iteration, the final resultant are remain is 0 0, 8 6, 10 16, and 13 28. All are different from each other as well lies in the category of knapsack capacity. After the iteration 4, as we can see, we have 0 0, 8 6, 10 16, and 13 7. We have to pair with fourth pair, which is 1 and 9. After merging with 1 and 9, we can say we have left with 0 0, 8 6, 10, 16, 13, 21, and 9 and 25. These all are exceeded the knapsack capacity. That's why we have ignored all the sets. Now, finally, we have to decide which item we have to pick and which item we do not need to pick. The first is we have to check either consider the pair due to its weight, which is nearest and giving the highest profit, which is 13 and 21. Now, 1321 belongs to S4 and 3121 belongs to S3, which means we do not need to pick S4, which is item 4, because 13 and 21 already existed with S3. That's why we have kept X3. Now, after removing the 1321 weightage of item 3, we are left with 5 and 15. Now, we have to say from where we are getting 5 and 15. 5 or 15 we are getting from set 2 and not from set 1, which means we have to pick the item number 1. Other remaining items become 0, and you are here with your final answer that out of 4 items, only we have to pick X2 and X3, which is item 2 and item 3. Hope you understand this lecture. Thank you so much for your understanding, and we'll get back soon after this.